Hi, this is Instadeq this week in 2 minutes. I fixed and generalized undo history and implemented IO history. If you don't remember, undo history is a way for you to undo changes in a component by selecting the undo option, and you can go through recent states of that component and you can pick the one you want to restore. I generalized that one, and now any node that has outputs, you can see the recent output states. You can see them changing here, and you can work with a recent state. So I also support the storybook async examples. I have this storybook component where I can try different components from the app, even the whole app. They are fully interactive. And some of them load asynchronously, so I added support to load that asynchronously. You can see many of the examples I try quickly. I generalized outputs. Until now, a node could only have one output, the output. Now it can have as many as it wants. There are two known ones, output and error. Let's see our output type. So here I have an HTTP request that is generating errors, and I can see the error, and I can, for example, count how many errors it has as if it was an output. It's an output, and you can see it's different because here you have the red exclamation point, and this is a new thing. It will tell you the source, where it comes from, and you can see it also on the basket. And bar type change propagates. So here I have a chart that depends on the score sum, and if I change the type here and this disappears, it will disappear from chart. It's kind of like a rename, but a little bit different, and now it's implemented and propagates. And lastly, I implemented eviction on aggregations. If an aggregation has too many entries, you can pick the aggregation strategy, remove last recently used, or remove the oldest ones. So this was Instadeq in 2 minutes. Bye.